will talk about how can you create tailor shortcuts on your Whoscall app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go here, go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just keep going down here. So in here, it's going to show for you create tailor shortcut. Just click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then here you add here, so then it's going to add to home screen on your Whoscall app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.